today I'll be doing this beautiful look. So, and this look I'll be creating this chunky glitter cut crease, and I'll be doing one eye off camera and the other eye is going to be done on camera. Keep watching, guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also comment. No, wait, don't forget to share. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Slick Clover here, and if it's your first time, welcome, and if you're yet to subscribe, please do so. So today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial, a full glam makeup tutorial. Let's get into the video. So guys, I'll be taking my Zickel HD concealer and I'll be taking the shade Honey, and I'll be using that to prep my eyelids. That will be my eyeshadow base. So applying the product on my eyelid, and I'll be taking my Real Technique brush. Yeah, that's all that is here. Taking my Real Technique brush to just press that into my eyelid. I'll be taking the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'll be using the three shades from there. Their names are Burkina, Cairo, and Ada. So 1, 2, 3. So I will start with Cairo, guys. Cairo. This is Cairo, by the way. This kind of reddish earth brown, just looks like reddish brown, yeah, reddish brown. And I'll be tapping in on my eyelid. I'm tapping it on my eyelid, and I'll be doing that in a circular motion. So the thing I'll be doing here is that while tapping it, I'll be trying to blend it at the same time. Quick notice: while tapping it on my crease, I'll be extending the blend upwards, but I won't be touching directly underneath the brow bone, because I want, when I put my highlighter, it's just going to give this that, but I will extend it to directly under here. Yeah, just here for blended. So keep watching, guys. Next, I'm going to be taking this Burkina shade, this dark brown shade. I'll just be applying that here, just to give the look, eyeshadow and everything more dark tint and all. It all depends on what you want to do anyways. If you want the dark tint, of course, try this. But if you don't, modify it. Done with this, I'll move into the other shade, just because I added a dark brown shade on this. so as to bring out the initial shadow. I'll just be using this. And I switch to my regular technique brush to stop the blending. Next, I have to create a cut crease with my Ezekiel concealer, the shade Honey, and I'll be using this brush from Elf Cosmetics. Here we go. I've been just looking up so I can know where to draw from, or to cut from rather. So I'm just taking my concealer, and guys, trust me on this. Patient body. So I'm going to go back into this brush and just dab it on it, so to blend the concealer into my skin, to my lips. So next, I'm taking this Bobbing Brown brush and still using my Juvia palette. I'm taking this shimmer. The shade is Giza. So I'll be tapping that onto my cut crease. So I'm done adding the white shimmer. So next I'm going to take this gold kind of, I don't know if it's gold, but it seems gold. Yeah, I think it's gold glitter. I ordered this from AliExpress a long time ago, so I haven't used it in a very long time, so I decided to use it today. And this is what it looks like. So I'm still going to take that same brush and I'll just press it on the remaining side of the cut crease. I said not to use glitter glue because I realized Ezekiel becomes sticky like when it's about to dry. The concealer becomes sticky when it's about to dry, so it has this little grip. It grips the glitter better. Because but if you know you're really slow at doing stuff like this, it's better you just use your glitter glue because it might have been really dried before you won't start applying your glitters. So it's better if you use your glitter glue. But if you know you have a very fast toned concealer, you can try it out. Next, I'm taking my classic glitter glue and I'll be taking my chunky glitters. This is orange, or no, rather it's peach. Sorry guys, this is peach. It looks in between orange and peach, you know. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It's more like this. It's more of this kind of, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is how it actually looks. with the same Bobby Brown brush, guys. I'll be pressing my chunky glitters into my
if you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround myself
and this is quite fine.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
I've taken my Zekel Photo Fix Mattifier Face Primer and Wrinkle Filter Primer. And then I'll be taking my Real Technique foundation brush or stippling brush, anyone. I'm just going to help myself. This Zekel Pro Matte High Definition Foundation in the shade 06. Using my Real Technique brush, I'm just going to buff it all out. To take my beauty sponge, just going to do extra blending. So next I'm still going to take my Zekel. Yeah, I've used this product a lot today. My Zekel Second Skin Concealer. I'm just going to going back with my beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend everything again to my skin. So next I'll be taking my black opacity foundation and I'll be using that to contour my face today. And I'll go back in with the foundation brush to blend everything in so it will not look harsh or anything. Taking another Real Technique brush and I'll be taking the Zekel powder palette and I'll be taking this shade. It's called Golden Bronze. And I'll be setting my highlighted places before I actually bake my face. I'll be baking my face today. So let's go. So next, I'll be taking this beauty sponge and I'm using that same golden brown shade to define underneath my contour. I'll be taking this setting powder. It's by a brand known as Mino. And I'm be taking the translucent shade. Guys, next I'll be contouring, or rather using a dark powder to go over my contoured area, and I'm using the cappuccino shade from the Zekel powder palette, of course.
it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I
So next, I'll be taking this Fable Eternal Charm, the most beautiful light. That's what they said. Fable Eternal Charm. I don't know if you guys can see this because it might be reflecting. I love the packaging, and it has 4 shades. So I'll be making use of this shade today. Oh god, I like it. Yeah. I'm taking my all-nighter makeup fixing spray from Ferrero Rocher brand. I guess I'm gonna spray.